In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable images in Microsoft Edge quickly and easily. This is a useful trick if you want pages to load faster, reduce distractions, or save bandwidth while browsing. It only takes a few clicks, and I'll walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look toward the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This is where Edge keeps most of its settings and customization options. From the menu, scroll down and click on Settings. That will open the main settings page for Microsoft Edge. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Click on Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls a lot of the browsing behavior in Edge, including security, tracking, and content permissions. Now, scroll through the options until you find Site Permissions. Click that to open the permission settings for websites. Inside Site Permissions, look for All Permissions. This section contains different features websites can request access to, such as location, camera, microphone, notifications, and images. Click on Images. This is the setting that controls whether websites are allowed to display images in the browser. Once you're on the Images page, you'll see a toggle option labeled Show All. Turn that switch off. As soon as you do that, Microsoft Edge will stop loading images on websites. This means pages may appear with blank spaces where images would normally be, but it can help pages load faster and keep your browsing simpler if that's what you want. If you ever want to turn images back on later, just follow the same steps and switch Show All back on. That gives you full control anytime you need it. So again, the path is Settings, Privacy, Search, and Services, Site Permissions, All Permissions, Images, and then toggle off Show All. That's how you disable images in Edge. I hope this made the process super easy to follow. If it worked for you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick Microsoft Edge tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.